Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. How are you?
Good.
Good. Okay. Where are the others?
I don't know.
Milan and Amila. Do you know you have school-wide assembly today? No.
No.
So in 3 to hour we will be having assembly. It's a assembly by foundation kids. No, you don't have to do anything. Don't worry.
Just it.
Just sit and enjoy the program. They will be performing, right? You'll be sitting and enjoying. Do you want to
Yeah.
do you want to have English class in that hour? Ah, how mean. You guys don't like my subject. So you have to join here. From here, we all will go together after 10 minutes to that class. Sounds good?
Yeah.
Now you
It's
have
a
to.
PY2 or something.
Sorry?
Is it in PY2 or
It's in
something?
auditorium. We will join the auditorium.
There is gonna be big kids.
Everyone will be there. Remember, you have attended school-wide assembly before. Everyone is there for the assembly, the entire school, and there is a lot of commotion and programs going on. Helena, this is your first time.
Oh, yeah. And I had a program also
You
in
also
there.
had a program once, yes.
Tanya ma'am.
Yeah. We will have at the end of May. We are also having, we are the in charge. So, me guys also will be performing.
What?
Yeah.
I don't
Yay.
know.
Also, Helena, I want you to do one thing. You have made a model of pollination, right?
Yes.
I want you to take a small video saying, "Hi everyone, I am Helena Shaji and I am going to tell you what is pollination." And just tell us what is pollination. 3 lines. Do you want me to give the script?
Yes.
Okay. Share your screen. I'll teach you how to take Google Chat. Lazel will explain how to take Google Chat.
Oh, it got removed.
In the email,
So,
take
yeah,
a
it
new
got
tab.
removed.
Take a new tab and see.
Everything got
Really?
removed.
I didn't know that.
Even Bharat got removed.
Yes. Take Gmail. Then on the right side
Gmail.
extreme.
Just two images. No,
Gmail.
no, no, no. Gmail.
Up,
Like,
near the
like
nine
every,
dots. Can you see the 9 dots
I'm
on the
full
left?
search Gmail.
No. See the 9 dots, Helena? Take the 9 dots.
There is Gmail.
Left to that. Yeah, take that. Take that. That is also Gmail, right?
Yeah,
Now,
it suddenly got removed,
see
I
on
think.
the left side, Helena, can you see chat on the left? That is not your left, that is your right. Go left. More left. Chat. Click on that. Okay. Now, I am going to send you a message, okay, in that. I
Although
just,
it got removed.
let's see. 1 second. I have no idea. I don't use that chat much, right?
Me too. Bayam was trying to send me an image.
It got removed. They deleted it. Then we cannot have it.
Now I will show you how it got removed.
Okay.
I will show you how Bayan sent it to me. It's right here.
Okay. Helena, do you know my
Yes.
WhatsApp number?
No.
Does Mama know my WhatsApp number?
Yes.
Ask Mama to send a hi. I have to send you a script. Ask Mama to send a hi in this number so that I can send you a WhatsApp script.
Okay.
Can you ask now? And most probably our Milan and Amila are not getting attendance for assembly today.
Definitely getting a black star.
They're 7 minutes late.
Definitely they're getting black star. I told.
You just want to give them black star, huh?
Yeah, and I get good star.
Do you want to be the head of newsletter to this theme?
Yeah.
Let's see. It depends on how many stars you're getting.
My black star.
Hmm.
Can you remove my black stars?
It depends on the good deeds you're doing. Milan, you're late by 7 minutes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Milan. We are late by 7 minutes.
Sorry, ma'am.
8 minutes. We are late by 8 minutes. Assembly is over.
Sorry, ma'am.
What happened?
I woke up late, ma'am.
Oh, you're waking up late. Okay, now let me see. It was not showing yet.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can you just send a hi? I just need to send a script to Helena in that.
Are you?
Helena, did you give the number to Mama?
No.
No? So, first hour is English. Are you sure?
No, it's auditorium. I'm going to auditorium.
That is second hour, not first hour. In the second hour. Even Bayan will be there later. You can meet Bayan also there.
No, no.
Everyone will be there. It's a school virus.
Why?
Wanna bet? Are you there for a bet? Wanna bet?
No.
What happened, Milan? You see Mummy
Why
Bayan?
is you give me a $100?
Bayan is there, you are supposed to give. Because I said Bayan will be there. Okay, let's see. Okay,
Hello,
Helena, I
ma'am.
got it. Thank you
Send.
so much, ma'am.
Huh?
I got it. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. So, now, let's start our class, shall we?
Yeah.